Chai, Chukwu okike abịama. Good afternoon, wonderful people of Biafra. Good afternoon, the children of light. I want to tell you that there is no way you will stop seeing us. There is no way you will stop talking about us. There is no way you will stop seeing this face. Today is the last Eke in the year 2024. Today is the last Saturday in the year 2024. As today they pass, and you never see them again, so shall the Nigeria government, Nigeria terrorist group, be passed away forever. I am here this evening to give you hope that the land of Biafra, the holy land of Biafra, the land of the rising sun, can never bow down to any intruder. It no matter how many they have. Last time I told you that France have come to help their criminal counterpart, Nigeria government. They have come, but don't worry. As they come, as this year they pass, now so then go follow pass. Then come, then go die. I want you to know one thing. At the end, Biafra must come. All these things that is happening, it is for our good. Have this in mind. That no matter how hard it is, it can never hurt past us, the children of the land. Now we be the children of the soil. So you want to see my face? Now maybe this. I am telling you that you have come into the land of Biafra to die. As long as you come with the mind to kill the children of the soil, you can never go back alive. Those who know how to speak French should interpret this talk in French language. Eh? Palami, palaso. Nabia, he go die. Interpret for them. No two ways about it. Tell the French people. I tell them. I hope they explain, give you well. To the land. As you come, now so you go die. Now we own land. Now our land we dey. This is the land of our ancestors. Hey.